when you format USB or SD card and you see this kind of error, Windows was unable to complete the format. So how can we fix this? Believe me guys, it's very easy. Write CMD in the start menu. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Perfect. Now here you can see administrator command prompt window. We have to use the disk part tool, so write disk part. Hit enter key. Perfect. So now we have to see how many disks are available in your computer. So write list disk and hit enter key. Perfect. So there are only disks 1 and 0 are available in your computer. So disk 1 is supposed to be your SD card or USB. So select disk 1. Hit enter key. Perfect. Now disk 1 is selected. Now we have to see how many partitions are available in disk 1. So for this, write list partition. Perfect. So there's only one partition in your USB or SD card. So we have to select it, format it. So write select partition 1. Hit enter key and here you go. Now write format format space f s equal n t f s and hit enter key, and then you will see formatting will start. So that's how you can format any kind of USB or SD card if this kind of error appears. So thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.